Well, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna make it simple and easy today. I want to show you guys a dash cam. I already have one in the van, but I want to put it in my son's car. So today we're going to be putting it in the M4, and it's the Pelsee P2 Trio. So take a look what's inside, and you know what I'll do, guys? I'm going to give this thing away. So we're going to put it in, but not do a full install. We're going to show you guys what it looks like. And everything else, we're going to put it back in the box, and then we'll do a giveaway in one of my next videos. So one of you guys is going to get this thing. Basically, you're going to get brand new open box for free. So let's take a look. Camera's in here, supposedly. See that? Hopefully I'll be able to package it up nice and neatly back. We'll try not to tape stuff, you know what I mean? We'll take things off. It's got night vision and all the good stuff, man. Oh man, maybe I should keep this. But I already said that you guys get it. So here we go. Oh, come on. Okay, so this is the part that actually sticks from the window outwards towards everybody, and this back part is actually you in the vehicle, and it actually tapes you as well in here. And it's got a third function, which it actually has a rear view camera as well. So let's see what the accessories are. Nice package here. Okay, it comes with an SD card. Comes with some more things. We probably will not open all this up. That way you guys can get a free everything packaged. We'll just open this up. And we won't install the rear camera either. It will be left in here. So here's the rear camera itself. So inside, here's your rear view camera. And this guy here, you just pull this double-sided tape off, this part off, and you stick it in your mirror inside. This doesn't go on the outside, so this stays inside. You can put it on top, on the bottom, wherever you feel like. And all this whole wire, you know, you get it under the headliner, and then you just plug it in. It's got a plug in somewhere. Right here, AV, even records sound, I'm sure. Bam, you plug it in like that, and then you're good to go with this with the rear as well. So three-way. Front, you inside the vehicle, and then this is the outside. So we'll put this all back in here. That way you guys can have, the winner gets it nice and new, just an open box. And then obviously the power plug, which is this guy, which we actually are gonna unscrew this one, plug it into our 12 volt, and then this plugs in right here. So bam, like that. And then you get to see what's up. I'll show you guys. We'll kind of jump through the menus real quick inside. So here's what this looks like. The big square here, you guys can see that's the outside camera recording that. Inside is a small one, so it records you as a passenger inside. And basically, if you were to mount this, you want to take this 3M off, and you just mount it really wherever you feel like it's a good spot to mount. This is adjustable as well. So look at this. If you want to mount it, you can do picture. I'm pushing button menus on the bottom. So if you really wanted to mount this, say right there, you know, or on the other side, wherever, left side, right side, however you want to do it, you just do it like that. Then it stays. So you can do your inside, outside, and this is has infrared, so it'll record you at night inside the vehicle. Shows your miles per hour right there. Time and date. It's got a menu. Okay. Through the menu, parking mode, Wi-Fi, File Explorer, you can look at your files, the ones that have been recorded. It's got voice control. Let's see, back. I think that's it. And then you can go into settings and change things like, oh, that was the wrong side. Anyways, you can change like your time and date and wherever you live, US or UK or any other country. So you can change the speed limit mode. You know, it's got a lot of customizations. Not a bad little camera. So if you guys want one of these, Pelsee, and I'll leave the link right in the description. So if you guys want to purchase one of these, definitely go to their site, check it out. I recommend it. It's actually my second product from them. I have a different one that's a mirror, like a mirror. It's on my channel too. I did a recording on that one, a video on that. So I already have one, and there's no point for me to, you know, really put a second one on unless my son wants it, but he says he doesn't want it. So we're just gonna let you guys have it, one of you guys. And watch my upcoming videos. In the next few videos, we'll do, I'll tell you guys the way to win this thing. It'll be totally free for you. So nothing out of pocket. I'll pay the shipping and everything for you. I'll just box this back up, and you're gonna get an open box Pelsee camera for free. So thank you guys for watching. Support the channel by throwing a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Otherwise, if you guys want free products and more of them, we'll be having more of those on here. So probably be giving away some of the stuff that I'm reviewing or showing you guys. So in the future, stay tuned to some of that stuff. God bless. We'll see each other next time.